Hey everybody, it's me, Tom Angleberger. Here I am. Almost forgot myself. Hey, it's me, Tom Angleberger. I'm pretty excited today. I'm gonna do the official unboxing of my first graphic novel that I've ever written and drawn myself. I'm very excited about it. I've never seen it. Usually by this time I've seen like a advanced copy. I haven't even seen that. When I open this up, you and I are going to see it together for the first time. First, let me show you these cool bookmarks I got. These are there's the two-headed chicken, and there's the angry green moose that chases it around trying to fry it. That's the whole plot. That's a bit of a spoiler. Maybe I should have given you a spoiler alert. I love these bookmarks. It's so cool. They came from Walker Books. That's the publisher of this graphic novel, and they sent this to me in this fancy envelope. I can't wait to get it open, and you and I are going to see what this looks like together. Of course, I have some idea what it looks like because I wrote it and drew it. But I've never seen what the actual book looks like. Of course, it's been my dream forever to write and draw my own graphic novel. And oh my gracious, I didn't know it's harder to get it out of the envelope than it was to do it. No, I'm just kidding. Took a long time to make it happen, but it really happened. Let's see here. Here we go. There it is. Wow. Two-headed chicken. Ooh, it's shiny. Is that what every author says when they unpack their book? Two-headed chicken. We're in a graphic novel. Wow. And there's the multiverse behind them. And let's just take a peek in here. Let's see what the back looks like. Oh, there's the back. This book is called Two-headed Chicken. You might therefore think it is the story of a two. Yeah, it's too long to read right now. Let's see. We'll get to that later. There they are, Two-headed chicken. There's my name, and then that's Joey Ellis, the awesome artist who did the colors for this book. He's actually a better artist than I am. He draws better than I do too, and luckily he was nice enough to do the colors because his colors are amazing. So I just thought I would help you through the beginning of the book here, and then maybe you'll get your own copy and read it sometime, or maybe you won't. Among the infinite universes in the multiverse, anything is possible. In one universe, you're a famous rock star. In another universe, you're a famous country star. And in a lot of universes, you are really awesome, but not famous yet. In some universes, you're reading this book. Look, it's really this book. In some universes, you're reading a better book. Oh, Yeller. And in some universes, books are food and you are eating a better book. In fact, in one universe, you are a book. Unfortunately, it's also one of those universes where people eat books. Sorry. In some, you are human. In some, you're a computer that thinks it's human. And in one, you're a human who thinks they might be a computer that thinks it's human. I did warn you this is going to be weird. Did I warn you it was weird? Maybe I didn't warn you. Well, if I didn't warn you, you know by now this book is going to be pretty weird. Now, in some universes, you're a cat. In some, you're an eagle. And in some, you're a chicken. That's the kind of universe this book is about. The kind where you are a chicken. Oh, chapter 2. Let's see here. Well, not exactly. You're actually just part of a chicken. You're one head of a two-headed chicken. You probably saw that coming because you saw the front of the book. You're one head of a two-headed chicken. The other head is your sister. Note, you may or may not have a sister in the universe where you're reading this book or watching this video, but in the universe that this book is about, you do. Also, your sister is a lot smarter than you. Not only is she really smart, but frankly, in this universe, you're not very bright. I mean, even compared to other chickens. There is a universe where you're the smart one. But it's not this universe. Want to meet my pickle? His name is Misty. I did warn you. In fact, your sister is so smart in this universe that she invented the Astro Cap. This incredible device lets you jump from one universe to another. Zoop. Which is really, really important because in every universe you're being chased by an enraged moose named Colonel Antlers. I am gonna fry you. All right, that's the end of chapter 2. I think I'll close it there. There's a little peek at where it goes from there. You'll find out. You'll find out. There's going to be all kinds of craziness in this book, all kinds of wild stuff. Let's see. There's there's a little drawing lesson here. You'll learn how to draw the chicken. I think there's a maze or something. There's a thing where you go back to like old-timey London. Is there a maze? Are we going to find the maze? Well, I don't know. There's all kinds of nonsense in this book. It's absolutely crazy. I'm very excited to see it for the first time and look at it. It is weird. It's weird, but it's also beautiful because Joey colored it so nice. It's really fun. I spent a lot of time making this book. I was just having so much fun putting stuff in there that I thought think was funny or that you would have fun doing. This is one of those things where you got to look around and find stuff on the moon. There's just so much stuff in here. I can't even begin to show it all to you. I hope you have a chance to go see it at the library. Oh, that was a big spoiler when the moose turns into a mermaid. That was a big spoiler. Anyway, I hope you get a chance to see it. Maybe read it at the library or check it out at your local independent bookstore. If you do check it out, I sure hope you like it. I am really excited to share this moment with you. I've been working towards this for a long time, and we finally made it. Two-headed chicken and me. There we go. And until next time, I guess I can't say may the force be with you. May the two-headed chicken be with you? Something like that. I'll see you next time, everybody. Thanks for checking out the video.